Hello and Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings. My name is Sabina Zegham Ahmed and I'm a social entrepreneur, fair trade campaigner and educator. It is my ambition and passion to see more Muslim female fair trade social entrepreneurs in media and publication. Muslim women like me who observe the hijab are often absent from fair trade social entrepreneurial conferences, discussion panels, committee boards and the media. I'd like to change this narrative and create more video content and publications for Muslim female fair trade social entrepreneurs. I've visited many Muslim fair trade producers over the past 14 years. The impact and reaction on social media has been positive and encouraging. The women artisans interviewed have felt a great sense of pride, empowerment and gained immense respect from their families and communities. They have been instrumental in financially contributing to their families' income and expenditure despite facing extreme discrimination and adversity. They have provided a better future for their children through education, training and women's advocacy. How can you support Muslim female fair trade social entrepreneurs? You can support them by sharing their videos, purchasing their beautiful fair trade products, and inviting them to share their fair trade social entrepreneurial journeys on your social media sites and channels. Thank you for watching. Wa alaikum assalam. Peace and blessings.